Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham.
Shaktya karma ravidyansa jatha kudbanti bharata kujyat vidyangsa tatha asakta chikirsu loka sangraham. There are two classes of men: Vidyan, learned, and the fools, not learned, may not be fool. Human beings, they are, of course, very intelligent than the animals, but amongst themselves there are more intelligent, less intelligent. On the whole, they are more intelligent than the animals. So far, intelligence is concerned in the matter of considering eating, sleeping, sex and defense, that is equal, either in the animal or in the human being. It doesn't require any education. If the dog knows how to use sex life, it doesn't require a Freud's philosopher. But the rascal human society, they are thinking, and here is a big philosopher, he is writing about sex. This is going on. Eating, simple eating, here is land. You work little, get your food grains produced, and you can sumptuously eat. But it doesn't require a scientific slaughterhouse for bringing big cows and live in the city at the cost of the life of the poor. And this is misuse of intelligence. This is not intelligence. Therefore, a devotee who is actually intelligent, they should show the way how our intelligence can be utilized. That is explained here. Sakta karmani avidyangsa. Avidyangsa, fools, men with poor fund of knowledge, they have discovered so many lines of activities, simply foolishness. The modern civilization, the so-called advancement of civilization, is, I want to say, planned by the Abhiddhangsa, men with poor fund of knowledge. They are not advancement of civilization. Therefore, they do not believe in the transmigration of the soul. They do not believe. Avoid the major issue. And they are planning in this life they will live for 50 or 60 years, making big plans. Sakta, being materially attached. Sakta, karmani, and discovering new methods of engagement. Avidyangsa, I do not know how to engage one's brain and talent. That we have discussed the other day, that pravittincha nivittincha navidu asura jana. in which way we have to engage our brain and talent, they do not know. That is the difference between a devata and a Asur. Asur does not know. Asur thinks that he will live forever and let him prepare big plans for material comforts. This is Asuric civilization. He will not be allowed to stay here. The Kalayam Asasatam, it is the place for suffering, so that we can understand our position. But these fools, they do not take this suffering into consideration, then making plans for more suffering. This is foolish civilization. They cannot, the so-called scientists, they are talking jugglery of words, advancement, and as we are discussing this morning, any intelligent can ask, so what you have solved, what kind of solution you have made of this problem of birth, death, old age and disease? Have you solved this problem? That they will not say yes. Yes, we are trying. After millions of years, it may be possible. That is also it may be, that we shall live forever. They say like that. Now who is going to live for millions of years to see, to confirm your proposal? Everyone will be finished within 50, 60 years. You rascal, you also will be finished. And who is going to see your result and action? Now this is going on. Therefore, it is the duty of the intelligent person to show the way of living. Sakta karmani avidyangsa jatha kurvanti bharata kujyat vidyangs tatha asakta chikitsu loka sangram. It's like we are taken to Krishna consciousness, the plowing or producing foodstuff, because our business is that we can go anywhere, ask, begging a half chapati or 1/4 chapati in 4 or 5 houses. We can collect, especially in India still, they will be glad if a sannyasi goes to a householder house and asks, give me something, a little bit of chapati, they will immediately. There is no need of making a big plan of agricultural activities. We have no need, but still we have to do that. That is, it is said, kurjat, you must do it. Kurjat, this word is used that you must. I can say, what is the necessity of my big agricultural program? I can go anywhere, ask a little chapati. No, you have to do it. Why? Kujyat vidyans tatha asakta. A learned person, they will do that. But asakta, no attachment. The Kurmis, they do even nonsense things, they are very much attached to it. But one who is vidyan, he shall do exactly like that. But the difference is no asakti, no attachment. Kujyat vidyang tatha asakta. Why? Chikitsu loka sangraham. So that others may follow. That why you are making big plan or big factories? You take to this process for your economic problem solved. Krishna advises, Kisi goraksha manijam vaishyakarma sabhavajam. This is the agriculture, cow protection, trade, no industry. Krishna never says industry, trade. Trade means, suppose here we are attempting to grow foodstuff. So after eating for ourselves, if there is excess, then we can take these food grains or anything which we have produced to a place where there is need. That is called trade. Trade in exchange also, there is exchange, that is also trade. So that is recommended by Krishna, and because we are Krishna conscious, we must abide by the order of Krishna, Kisi Goraksha, not for all, but a class of men. They are in the third category. The first category is the Brahmana, the man in knowledge. He knows what is the value of life, how life should be directed this way, that way. They know themselves and they give guidance to the other who have no such knowledge. Therefore, Brahmana is the guru of all other classes of men, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas. Just like our position is Brahmana, but we are anasakta, without any attachment. We shall try to give them the direction how one can live very peacefully and save time for Krishna consciousness. That is stated here. Kujyat vidyam tatha asakta chikitsu loka sangraham. The idea is how to direct common man to live peacefully and become Krishna conscious. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,